Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany and I am a cash stuffer here on YouTube. We are a family of three, about to be a family of four. Just trying to get out of over $100,000 of debt. We use the cash envelope method and zero-based budgeting to achieve that. And today we have the second week of March for you all. So if you're interested, just keep watching. So the first thing we're gonna do is get into the good old wallet and take out my cash envelopes. And we're just adding to groceries today. So we have 50, 75, and we're adding that to what we already have. So now we have 50, 100, 20, 40, 65, 70 to groceries. And we're gonna fill up our other envelopes in my monthly bill cash stuffing. And so that's all we're doing in there. The next is our high priority binder. This is one of my favorite binders ever. It has this gold edging. It's like thick and it has the snap closure, which is really good for me because the magnetic ones are okay, but I really like the button closures. So emergencies is full for our beginner emergency fund at $3,000. Debt is getting $165. And we're just add this in. So the way we do our debt is we pay all of our minimum payments. And what you see me cash stuffing is to make extra payments on existing debt. So we have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000, 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 80, 95, 4, 5, 10, 15, 20. So $1,420 towards an extra debt payment. And then Christmas, 25. So important to save for Christmas all year round, or do like a savings challenge before Christmas so that it does not sneak up on you. 200, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 45, 55, 65, 70. So 370 towards Christmas. And y'all, it's just so expensive to do Christmas gifts these days, just these days in general. I don't know why it's so expensive, because you want to do something nice for people, but I'm like, gosh, that list gets a mile long real fast. Like, we literally save so much just so we can buy for like the sheer amount of family members that we have. So this is 1,000, 2,500. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 5, 95, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20, 1, 2. So 26, 22. We'll be excited to add some more money into there. And then that takes us into our low priority binder, which is like my favorite. And then vacation gets 20. So we have 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, almost 200. Fun gets 5, and we have some fun spring break plans planned. I'm super excited. So we're going to use this at 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. So it's $44. Pets gets 5. And then we have 20, 40, 60, 75, 85, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 1, 2. So 102. And then date night, 15, per usual. $20, $40, $60, $81, $10, $20, $35, $40. So 140. Nothing in car maintenance. Birthdays, our usual 20. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 10. So we have $310 in birthdays, which is excellent. My husband's birthday is coming up. Always want to do something special for him. He works so hard for us. Okay, and then we have 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. So 34 in miscellaneous. And then personal, 16. So we have 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 85, 95, 100, 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So $124. And then beauty, nothing. And then into our monthly binder. I'm doing 10 for my mom. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40. And then 10 into AC repair. $50, $70, $80, $90, $100, $10, $20, $30, $40, $50, $60, $75. So $175. And then the rest of this actually goes into our 100 envelope challenge. So 20, 10, and 4 ones for $34 so that we can stuff at the end of the month as many envelopes as we can fit. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave me a skull emoji, and I will see you guys later. Bye.